Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to be doing another unboxing, but in this video it's a special unboxing because it's my birthday unboxing. So pretty much I have all my boxes that I got on my birthday, pretty much the models that I ordered and some that my friends and family got me. So yeah, let's unbox them. So as I told you, I have a bunch of boxes, here's just one of them. They all have these numbers, so pretty much I'll just go on my phone and do a random number, so it'll be more interesting. Alrighty guys, so which number is it gonna be first? 2. Alright, so let me quickly find box number 2, and we can see what it is. So, here's box number 2. I think I know what it is, and it has an export scan, so I definitely now know what it is. I am just so excited to have all these models, yet one of them did not arrive in time. Well, I'll just do an unboxing on it later, no big deal. But yeah. Alright, here's the box. We got a couple of pieces of newspaper. It's gonna go off the floor real quick. Ooh, it's nicely packed, and I can't. Oh, yes, Sun Country, the old livery, not the new one. Alrighty, so I finally got open the bubble wrap, and here it is. Wow. Beautiful box. The box is actually pretty small, not gonna lie. It is much. Let me just get my Gemini Jet 737 box. So, as you can see here, the Gemini Jet's 737 box is much smaller than the NG models box. But the NG models box is actually much more beautiful than the Gemini Jet's box. I'll just set this aside, and wow, really beautiful. I'm just gonna unbox it real quick. Wow, this livery is so nice. Sadly, I did miss out on the new one, but that's that. But at least I have a Sun Country aircraft, which looks stunning. Wow, it's amazing. Alrighty, so our second model is gonna be box number 4, and let's see what this one is. Looks like it's from eBay, judging by the box. But yeah, let's unbox this one. Paper here. Thank you. Alright, and packing peanuts, my worst enemy. Oh, which one is it? Oh, it's the American Airlines A320. And it made a big mess. Oh well. Alright. Let's see if it's broken. I mean, I already know the color's bad, but let's see if it's broken. I'm not excited for this one. And it looks to be intact. I hope it's not broken. Let's see. No, it's not broken, but oh my god, this coloring is really bad. There seems to be something on the plane here. I don't know. It seems to be. No, it just seems to be like something. Wow, the color is like so bad, and it's like a matte color. What did Gemini Jets do? Like literally, it's like matte. You see, it's not glossy. Alright, I just have to get my previous American Airlines A320 to see how bad it is. Alright, so here's the previous American Airlines A320. focus. There we go. And here's the new one. Look at that difference. Look at that difference. Oh my god. I mean, I do like that the engines are the IAE, so you know, so the plane looks good, not like this one with the Neo-sized engines. But I mean, Gemini Jets could have done the color better. Oh well. Alright, let's go on to our next one. Alrighty, so our next one is number 1. And I'm guessing this is the biggest one. Oh yeah, it is the biggest one. Get this stick out of there and let's see what it is. Could it be 2? Could it be 1 big one? Because I do not remember ordering this. So it could have been one of my friends, family, and so I just took this part out so you don't see my address. You know. Alright, whoops. Should get this maybe let's the good one out of the way before it breaks. Before I break it with the boxes. God, I don't like this box. Let's do a plastic seal. And it looks like to be 1. And it is the Southwest 700 in the Tennessee one, and already the plane looks stunning. So this is my first Southwest plane. I did order the NG one, but it still didn't come in. I wish it came, but it looks stunning. The color is beautiful. Everything is perfect. It's sad that the real life one got the split skin motor, so this model's, I guess, outdated kind of. But yeah, it's a beautiful plane. I'll do a further review in the next videos. Alright, so our next number is 4, but we already unboxed that one. So let's try it again. 2, we already unboxed it. 5, we didn't unbox that. Nope, we did not. Alright, so number 5 seems to be a small one, so I am guessing it to be 1 plane at most. The lamp just fell. I'm sorry that I'm not talking that much. It's just really early in the morning and I just want to unbox these planes. And here we have the Alaska 737 Max 9. I want to see it. The 737 Max 9. The reason why I got this one, I know the Max is currently rounded. The reason why I got this is because we are getting 737-900s from San Francisco, and there's no 737-900 in the new livery that I found, so I just got this one. But yeah, looks to be like a really nice model. It's my first Alaska model, so I have a bunch of first models for new airlines, you know, completing an airline list for Philadelphia. But here it is. Looks nice. I like the 737 Max mold. It's like Gemini Jets' best mold, I guess. It's really nice. But yeah, I'll do a further review on it, as I said for the previous planes. Alright, it's gonna be number 3. And here it is, box number 3. 3. It looks to be there's one plane in here, possibly maybe 2, because the box looks like it's about to explode. But yeah, let's unbox this box. I got most of my Gemini Jets from Panda Fox that I did order. Just destroying the box at this point. Alright. And it looks like we have 2 planes. The United Express Embraer 175 with bad wings. Let's see this one, how bad it looks. I saw videos and the wing flex is pretty bad. Let me get my regular, the old livery United Express, and yeah, it looks like you can, it is there, it is definitely there, but I guess I got one of the better ones, but I mean, it still looks pretty bad. Yeah, no. I mean, the livery looks very nice on this, but I mean, the wings, not so much. And the second model we have is the really good United Airlines Airbus A319 in the new livery, which looks really good. I'm gonna get this box out of the way. So let's unbox this one. Here it is, the United Airlines Airbus A319, which is really good, and no one got this with the wings off or anything like that. The color looks nice, not like the American A320. Yeah, I really like this one. It's gonna be a great rendition to Philadelphia. Alrighty, everybody, so we have one more box left, and it's box number 6, and this box looks like it's definitely gonna explode. I think they still have 2 planes in here, but yeah, it's the final box. Let's unbox it, and let's see what's in here. Alright, so here it is. We have the same paper, and we have the Air Canada CRJ200. It's gonna replace the Bombardier Q400, and we also have the Delta 737-800, which completes my Delta mainline fleet. I still need Delta connection planes, but you know, finally I have all of my Delta mainline planes. So yeah, let's unbox these real quick and take a quick look at them. Wow, it looks pretty nice. I think the coloring is a little bit like either brighter or darker. I don't know, I can't really see it. But yeah, it looks really nice. Looks like they forgot to put Alright, so as you can see here, it looks like they forgot to put the second Wi-Fi box. But yeah, it looks very nice. And the final plane for this wonderful unboxing, we have the Air Canada CRJ200, and it's also the smallest one, and it looks really tiny. This is, I guess, my second one, Cause I have that one that I turned into a private jet, which is really cool. But yeah, it looks very nice. It's really small, and as I said before, it's gonna replace my Air Canada Q400. So yeah. Alrighty everybody, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm gonna be doing a review on every single one of these planes in the following days or weeks. But anyways guys, fly safe.